Welcome to in this video. Today, we will discuss about data link layer. So, let's start the video. The data link layer is the second layer in the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection, model, which is a conceptual framework used to understand and standardize the functions of a network. It is responsible for node-to-node data transfer, error detection, and handling of data frames within a local network segment. Here's a deeper look at its role and functions, along with an example to illustrate its operation. Functions of the data link layer. 1. Framing. It packages raw bits from the physical layer into frames, which are the units of data that are transmitted across the network. Each frame contains a header and a trailer that help manage and interpret the data. Example: when a computer wants to send data over an Ethernet network, the data link layer packages this data into frames. Each frame includes a header with the source and destination MAC addresses, as well as a trailer with error checking information. 2. Error detection and correction. It provides mechanisms to detect errors that may occur during transmission, e.g., through checksums or cyclic redundancy checks. It may also include techniques for correcting errors. Example: the Ethernet frame includes a frame check sequence, FCS, in the trailer. When the frame reaches the receiving computer, it recalculates the FCS value and compares it to the FCS value in the frame. If they match, the frame is considered error-free. Otherwise, the frame may be discarded or requested to be retransmitted. 3. Flow control. It manages the pacing of data transmission between sender and receiver to avoid overwhelming the receiving node. This can involve buffering and acknowledging the receipt of frames. Example: Ethernet networks use mechanisms such as the Ethernet's backoff algorithm to manage flow control. If the network is busy or a collision occurs, devices wait for a random period before attempting to retransmit their frames. 4. MAC addressing. It uses media access control, MAC, addresses to identify devices on the network and ensure that data is sent to the correct destination within the local network. Example: each device on the Ethernet network has a unique MAC address. When a frame is sent, the data link layer ensures that it is addressed to the correct MAC address of the intended recipient device. 5. Access control. It manages how multiple devices access the shared communication medium to avoid collisions and ensure that only one device transmits at a time, e.g., using protocols like CSMA, CD in Ethernet networks. Example: in an Ethernet network, the data link layer uses the carrier sense multiple access with collision detection, CSMA, CD, protocol to manage access to the network. Devices listen for a clear channel before transmitting. If two devices transmit simultaneously, a collision occurs, and both devices wait for a random time before trying again. Conclusion and summary: the data link layer plays a crucial role in ensuring reliable communication over local networks by handling framing, error detection, flow control, MAC addressing, and access control. It abstracts the complexities of the physical layer and provides a reliable data transfer mechanism for higher layers of the OSI model to use.